Alright guys, I want to shoot a quick demo video of what Perpetual Income 365 is all about, right? And to show you guys the insights of the software. So first of all, when you first log into Perpetual Income as a member, you'll be greeted with the welcome page. So this is where I explain what the software does and all that stuff, right, to members. And here members get a chance to join the Facebook community where we do our live training in there. And also they get to better understand how we incorporate the MCCA Netflix algorithm into the software, right? So this is the welcome page. We have announcement tab as well, right? And we also have an onboarding tab where we allow members to basically claim some bonuses, and we sort of like handhold members along the way throughout the entire process of building up their funnel and their list, right? So this is the welcome tab that you're looking at. Next, we move on to the step-by-step guide. So in the step-by-step guide, there are in total of 7 steps, right, before someone can get started. But do note that some of the steps, right, are optional because they are upsells, right? So not all of them are needed for you to get started. So for example, Step 3, Step 4, and Step 5, they are upsells, so they are optional. They are definitely going to help members make more money, but it's not necessary for them to make money. Okay, so Step 1 is to integrate their account. So here you can, it can be either ClickBank. Right now we have Digistore 24 as well. We have Warrior Plus as well. So that's Step 1. Step 2 is to integrate your GetResponse account, right? And Step 3 is to activate one of the upgrades if they want to, right? The Perpetual Assets Multiplier, right? I'm going to go into that later in detail. Step 4 is to activate Email ATM. It's another upgrade. Step 5 is another upgrade, 5 clicks profit activator. And Step 6 is to create their landing pages, their money page, and grab the links. Step 7 is to watch the mindset training videos that we have for them, for all members, to make sure that everyone has a mind of steel, right, before they go out there to get traffic, which is the final step.